Abercrombie in Southport, and this might be the cutest Abercrombie I've ever been to. I think they like kind of recently opened up. Like, that's cute. I'm a fan. You guys should come by here. Abercrombie's really killing it, in my opinion. Ooh. Like, I would wear that. This one definitely reminds me of the Align tank from Abercrombie. Fun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I took a SoulCycle class with Joshua at the Southport location. It is my favorite SoulCycle location. It was so much fun and I'm so happy they reopened because they have been closed for the past 2 years because of COVID. But it was definitely nice to go back there and see familiar faces. I also love walking through Southport. Like, this street is so stinking cute. There's a bunch of little stores and like small coffee shops, and then you can also get like smoothies or anything like that. So I grabbed some matcha from this small little business that I was walking by. I was gonna grab some from Starbucks, but I was like, honestly, why not pick up from a small business, just because I do like supporting the small businesses when I can. Just got an iced matcha latte with coconut milk. I feel like that's my go-to lately because coffee has been making me a little jittery. I also stopped by Real Good because I am a huge fan of their bowls and honestly all of their food. So I can't wait to eat that when I get home. I think for the rest of the day, I'm thinking I know Paul wants to work out together, so maybe I'll do another workout. I'm really trying to get back on my fitness grind this next month just because I feel like I've definitely fallen off. And like, I love working out. It makes me feel so good. And yeah, I'm just really excited for this month, guys. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be a good month, a good year. I can't believe this year is already flying by. I'm gonna start driving home and I will see you guys then. So I just got back home. I actually stopped by the gym on my way back because I wanted to do a little more exercise, which is very unlike me. But honestly, I feel like SoulCycle is such good cardio, but not really good strength training, or at least I feel like I need more. So I just lifted some weights, and then back home, definitely need to shower ASAP, but quickly made a green smoothie. I put protein powder. The protein powder I use, I will show you guys in a second. I use protein powder, almond milk, ice, mango, strawberry, and a little pineapple, and it makes like, oh, and spinach. And it makes like the perfect protein smoothie for me. I definitely feel like I can't just have protein and water. I like cannot do that combo. I need like fruit in the smoothie. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this and shower real quick, and then I do have a physical therapy session today. So today's actually gonna be like my consultation. I think that's what they call it. It's my first time doing physical therapy, and I'm doing it because I've been having really bad neck and back pain. I really need to figure it out because it's disturbing my sleep, and sleep's so important to me right now. So I want to give this a try and we will see how it goes. So this is the protein powder that I use. It's the Fit with Cambry vanilla flavored one, and let me show you. So these are the macros. Oh, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. Maybe not, but it says it's 150 calories per servings, which is 2 scoops. 4 grams of fat, it's 11 grams of carbs, and for protein, it's 17 grams. So it's a good amount of protein for me. I really like the taste of it. I hate chalky protein, and especially because this is vegan, that's what vegan proteins tend to do, but this one tastes really good in my opinion, and I am a big fan. I have this one and I have the chocolate. Usually though, with my green smoothies, I will prefer the vanilla flavored protein mix over the chocolate, but at nighttime when I'm craving something really sweet, I do use the chocolate, but I would highly recommend this one. I just showered and got ready, and now I am going to physical therapy. I am kind of nervous because it's my first time going, but I am excited to see what they can do and how they can help me, because my back and my neck feels all type of whack. But I don't know if I will be able to get some clips in just because it'll be my first time. Anywho, let me show you my outfit. So socks are polo, like polo men's, I believe, from Urban. Sweats are Brandy Melville, and then hair clip Amazon. And then this crop hoodie is from Aritzia. I just finished a Rumble class with Nina and Luke, my sister's boyfriend, and then we went to breakfast. We went to Tempo Cafe. It was my first time trying it. It was actually pretty nice. I just got some egg whites, toast, some jam, and bacon, and it was really nice. I was gonna get a coffee, but I already drank a Celsius and I feel pretty good right now. Maybe I'll get a coffee later. It's so nice out today in Chicago. I think the high is going to be like 65 degrees, which is like unheard of for March in Chicago. So that'll be really exciting. Paul and I hopefully want to go on like a walk or a picnic or something like that. Maybe go out and grab a drink because the weather's so nice. It makes you want to go outside and enjoy the weather. But I will take you guys along with us. I'm still in the city right now. I just got to my car. And it makes me so happy to see everyone walking out and about. It's nice to feel somewhat normal again after 2 years. But yes, I am really exhausted actually. The Rumble class I took this morning was really hard, in my opinion. I took Spencer's class. I feel like he is one of the best instructors there. I also want to try Joshua's because Joshua is actually a SoulCycle instructor that I love, so I feel like I'm gonna love his boxing class. He just recently became a new instructor, so that'll be fun. I think I'm taking his class in a week or so, but it feels so good to be back on my workout grind. I'm so excited to work out more consistently this month, and honestly just in general, because I have not been feeling myself definitely, and working out definitely makes me in a better mood and overall just feel better about myself. So I am really excited to keep up on my workout grind. If you guys have not tried this before, it's the Bite Agave Lip Mask. Okay, the only thing I want to say about this is that I think they changed their formula to make it like vegan or something, and ever since that, the new formula doesn't feel the same to me, or I'm not as big of a fan. But I remember I stocked up on these not too long, or I guess like a year or two ago, maybe, because I heard they were coming out with a new one, and I'm so glad I did, because this is hands down the best lip product that I own, because I cannot stand when I put something on my lips and it disappears in 2 seconds, or like I drink something and it's gone. You know what I mean? Like, this feels so moisturizing, and especially in the cold Chicago months, you want something nice for your lips, because mine definitely get really dry. We have beautiful weather today, but my lips, I've been feeling so dry. And even on my face, I brought my skincare routine, because I wanted to apply some after Rumble, like I washed my face and stuff. So I will just quickly show you guys what I brought. I do the Summer Friday CC Me Serum. This is the best. It feels so nice. My skin feels so hydrated. I definitely can tell a difference when I use this. My skin, my dark spots definitely are slowly fading, which is awesome. So I really, really like this. Summer Fridays overall is such a great brand in my opinion. So I also use the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Oil-Free Gel Cream. This is really nice and light when you need a good moisturizer, but you don't want something too thick. I feel like this does the job, and it absorbs into your skin really fast, so I really like this. And then last but not least, I cannot forget my sunscreen. I use the Ulta MD UV Clear SPF 46 facial sunscreen. This is so good, guys. I am obsessed with Ulta MD right now, and I think they have one of the best facial sunscreens in the market. I haven't tried any other sunscreens from them. I do have a tinted one, but I haven't tried yet. But I'm a huge fan. It doesn't leave a white cast on your face. It feels super moisturizing. And it protects your skin from the sun, so why not? Oh, and it applies really nicely under makeup, which is important to me. Let's go. It feels so nice to have working out this morning. But yeah, sorry I'm so talkative this morning. I feel like I had so much to say to you guys. Thank you, love. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, thank you. We're right now walking inside of JCPenney, I believe, because we are trying to get to the entrance of the mall. We're at Woodfield Mall in Schaumburg, and we're gonna do some spring shopping. Hopefully we'll find something good. Too tight? You look handsome though. Is that extra large?
This is an extra large. Actually, it doesn't fit that bad.
I like it. What do you think? Okay. Alrighty.